With the magic power of one-hand editing, you guys can probably see what's in this box. You guys probably already know what's in this box. I gotta cover my shipping address so no one sees what I got. You guys don't know when to see what's in the box, or my address rather. But you guys are surprised what is in the box. Let's that way out. This is a strut brace. Check that out. Got a strut brace for the Mustang. As kind of a dead giveaway. I haven't been filming lately because I've been doing little things on the side of the car that no one really knows about, like the wing and stuff like that, and the rotors, stuff like that. Well, there's the giveaway. I'm doing a handling build, guys. I'm building the car for handling, and I even took out the motor. The motor's cleaned up and everything. So let's install this thing. But first, let's take this thing out of the bubble wrap. Pretty easy. We're gonna remove 8 strut mount nuts, so it's gonna be 4 and 4. It's supposedly this is a 13mm, so 13mm socket and 13mm wrench. We're gonna remove we're gonna move the struts like it shows in the picture, like over there, like I said, and then you're just gonna take that off, and then you're gonna put the brace on, and we're gonna bolt it on. Oh, let me show you guys the brace by the way. So I got the chrome brace. It's on South American Muscle. And in the pictures, I didn't really like how it came out in the pictures, but in reality, it's actually looks really, really nice. I kind of like it. It kind of matches my pony package girl, which is kind of cool. I mean, I could do a little dress-up kit later on in the future, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I was debating on painting it black. I wanted to get the black one, but they didn't have any in black, like the black one on sale, so I got the chrome one. So let's put it on. And enough of the talking. Let's put this bad boy on. Corner to corner. We got a brand new strut brace on the car, which should help me handle a little bit more in the front end for my suspension, as I have curved wheels, and that's the whole reason why I asked for it, so that when the car turns right, the weight transfers to the left. Turn left, the weight transfers to the right. That's the whole point of a strut brace. It transfers your weight back and forth, stops body flex in the front of the car. And now my car doesn't really have much body flex because of the horsepower, but it is on a single chassis, so you guys get the idea somewhat. It's pretty much what it is. Next thing I'll probably do is maybe a dress-up kit, or I don't know. We'll go slowly. At this, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one. Take care, and peace.